For the setting on the ELISA reader, we have the test menu, programs, reports, data science. For the calibration, we go to the programs and we'll create the programs. And the settings are as this. We'll set the calibration points. It is a 5-point calibration. The negative is less than 20 and positive is more than 20 units per angle. And we'll finish this. You can exit it. For the test, the nav to stabilize. Or you can skip this for now. And the play direction is A to H and it is a stepwise. We'll mix it in slow. 1 second. Okay. Then we'll set the standard by going to the standard and we'll select forcing set programs. Okay. So I'm using the standard and it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then we'll say sample 3. Then we can directly go to the start. You can see the previous on the reports. You can do as patient or by the programs. Guys, the different programs. Wait.